Right then guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have another Urban Defender at the studio for our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package. This isn't looking the best at the moment, so it's our turn to make sure we go ahead and get it looking that showroom fresh. So first up, we need to decontaminate it outside the studio, so we're going to go ahead and do a full chemical decontamination. And once that's done, we'll pull it inside and we can start our multi-stage paint correction. So let's get it decontaminated. Let's pull it inside the studio and I'll show you some of the imperfections that are on the car before we start. So that's the chemical decontamination now complete on the Defender. Let's get it inside the studio. I'll show you some of the imperfections that are on the car before we start our multi-stage paint correction. So then that's all of the painted surfaces now corrected, and the paintwork is looking fantastic. So that's all of the minor imperfections and a few of the deeper ones removed. One thing I did forget to mention is that this customer did opt to go for some PPF, so he's chosen to protect this rear boot strip, as you can see here, and then also the door shuts, as these are such a common area to get covered in scratches where you are getting in and out of the car. With those small bits of PPF now applied, let's go ahead and seal the rest of the paintwork in with our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating. So then guys, after a lot of hard work, that's another Urban Defender now complete after having our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package. As you can see, it's looking a lot better than when it left the factory thanks to our multi-stage paint correction and Wax is Dead ceramic coatings. If you want something similar for your car, simply give us a call to get a free quote. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any suggestions, then leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.